So the Volkswagen T2 is finally done. What a beauty. So let's have a little walk through, tell you what we've done and where we're at. So, as you may be aware from previous videos, we have only done the blue. So anything this blue has been cut out, refabricated and repaired. Customer didn't want to go all the way up. So I'll talk you through what's been done. This rear corner, cut out, re-welded, same as the arches. There, and there, absolutely rotten, cut out, re-welded. Same as up there, redone. This rear quarter, exactly the same. Both sides of the arches. The whole underside of this sill here, that was all rotten, cut out, re-welded. Inner arches all around here. The lower step, also done. This wheel well, rad cover, done. Down here, step again, also cut out and re-welded. There's a section here, and a section here, and a section here, cut out and welded. Also, the bottom of the door was rot all the way through, so that was cut out, re-welded. And then we've painted it we've changed the colour to a more period correct vintage blue to match the interior. So if you look at the interior, that's the colour of the interior, that's the colour of the paint. Not a bad guessing match, is it? Nice. So that's that. Now, this is going today and it's coming back in a month because it's going to have some mechanical work done, start motor, suspension, stuff like that. But for now, the welding, fabrication and paintwork on the blue, obviously, is done. What do you think? Pretty cool thing. Definitely much better in the baby blue. Lovely jubbly. Alright, on to the next.